Tiamo bi akwaba Enfambra Sober Network here on YouTube. Mr. Abio, Yameti Asian one or audio. Prince the defender.
Boss.
Apeke.
Yeah, we are fine.
Apeke.
Yeah, we are Apeke.
Apeke, I'm Apeke, near to me pushing your man to the in some of the doors. Kumasi Asante Koroko training. I want update. Ewaha. I see the man. Yeah, for Patrick Esiedu. Apeke injury. Sabio. Mompayo na. Esiedu plan and minor one. What's the last year injury hand pa? No court, no back, no. But survive. When he's a prince before we were waiting about me see the number of matches aboard the last season. Himself there. Or archives last season himself at the point in I said Kotoko Kreko Kwaran. On Senna the technical team felt he was not fully ready for the trip. Emma the first list by Kwanani didn't count. And so later and focus on no if or your idea not technical team no say AstroTurf so na all kobono one here nanka akofa nsem piaba but otimi gina na so abesi okurekure mu kakra kakra de Asante Kotoko.
Yes.
Pre-senior statistics are na oh because at this point makase Kotoko echiri ono Samba ko Ablo Ansu Zakaria Soko the quarter free injury aba and a new goalkeeper aba in that lot.
Yes.
They are now be here senka consistency no ekoyo mu nyine bia fa se chesi na si edu ni ho so say abeye se na akwa last year about matches are now
24.
So I say 10 matches.
Share one goal.
Yeah, I say 10 matches and anya
yeah.
I say 10.
Yeah, easy cry. 10
ebi wo. Say about 34 now I say 10. Because you are looking at around 30%.
Yeah.
25 to 30% of the matches, you know. Honestly, maintain a contract extension, come on. And now what be?
That be.
And he's an important player.
Very important.
I think at this point, they say Kotoko name captains. Danlad Abadie. Agadas Abadie.
Yeah.
But so more about team no more than one season. Abeka Courty. But also Courty is consistent because on Usunya ACL. Now Abeka Esiedu.
Yeah.
In film will be no about 2 years. There's nobody in the Kotoko medal about 2 years. Adabo last season. Lawson, Joe, Walid, Kweju set. Only one season. Any also Obia 1 season. Did I say more in terms of say yeah fat captain based on seniority? I see a duni Courty.
Yeah.
And I say Agadas. That's why I tip the captain pen one babak.
Asaba.
And you dan lad why team the captain pen was Saba. Just a pecking order and see a sharp baba esa nipa be you can say 4 maybe a bit of experience be Eddie Afra.
Yeah.
Mamento call comment section ho Kotoko captaincy. So we arrangement anka star ben anka bede. Obenana prince will be kakra Kotoko captain ka o ya anka ben no saying.
Boss come here the anka Danlad ever say Babakas me number 1. Yes. To be captain of for the side. Danlad. Experience no beside about leadership qualities. Some they be I make with the team's culture. So Danlad fits in at position number 1 as main captain. Then number 2, Richard Boadu Agadas. And also sa leadership. And also the rebel on board very necessary. Then number 3, you can make mention of Patrick Esiedu. Or also so ebetimi aba as number 3. We don't also need experience.
Danlad Agadas
Esiedu. Top 3.
Okay.
Omomi ansane de betimi akase omo de na betimi aye then near hwe with the other boys na so aka no. Omo so ma wu mu no betimi so hwe mi Emmanuel Kote if say the fitness level na ye kama betimi de na kan ho.
Kote scrap picking but I'm say okay kakra.
Yes, it no so no so be ho honum number 4. Then number 5 maybe I heard Adabo.
Lord Hilary Adabo. You're not going for any of the foreigners.
Oh no. Mode bia na somebody any baako be my exceptional performance bi na wa be wuremu dia. Na ba be yi pa. Yes. Talk of town also.
Any there no.
Among for busa me questions as na prince na Jesus no. Jesus no because almost say Democracy Cup enchene beba ye bo Democracy Cup we are na is aka be 1 week na be start league because less than 1 week tiamanfo be brene busa say Jesus bada ben e na ne bo nso kura e sen na me say omunya abotre na ha ya na headquarters
Prince akofa asema
ba Jesus no de yen kan
THB asema
na THB
THB asema no ne kana ehia critical analysis.
Okay.
First thing I'm for a discussion about THB, the delay of the Jesus. Okay. This is going to be THB's 4th year.
Yeah.
With Kotoko.
Yes.
One said, Gabrani denki ba. Edurum fie baku mienu. Miensa nine is all master.
Any day.
The man said, Wabahe. After 1 year, you be in Hakra, you can. Best say, how am I?
Yes.
Good. 2 years, next, we are done that. So after year 4, if certain things are happening, I say, baby,
yeah.
Timmy, ye, but I'm saying, Yabotre. Dear Uni. THB no Kotoko contract. Almost signing November. November, December, no maybe.
Okay.
Reason THB net the former board or the IMC signing was that THB no more contract or Kotoko one. And I met you kakra.
Okay.
Now a full sponsorship for Kotoko. Then THB taking care of the replica.
Okay.
With a percentage to Asante Kotoko. Kid sponsorship you who do be.
Yes.
In the environment, say Prince Owi. You have one example. Now my bame pamatadi. It's a Prince. Monday to Saturday, me pamatadi ama.
Okay.
Patadi abeshe strone from me pamama. And you might be now here. So be out here stocks, Miss Mama.
Okay.
We say be a do Friday. Me pen color say Miss Mama. Be a Friday they made me no. No my year Monday they made me no. Tuesday they maybe a many 2 the amount. Then Miss okay me ye we mawa. They miss me nyani. We cheat half one. Miss me ye de e se woni bi aton e de amon.
Okay.
Me ton ba ko a. Me fa bi a 90% mama 10%. E bi a wo no wo ni say a good deal free say. Sen ka wa do sika koto atade nka ye woka. E na nka wa wo bia nka wa na be sa kwotwa atade na wo koto ama supporters no so ye woka. Nti obi be fa sa aka.
Okay.
No amount atade ne se ne ye open na. Wo okay.
Ndie.
Nti ono wo ton na oboka ono anasem. Oton no nya mfaso so aso kakra wo obeje. That's one form. Nti e no na THB no Kotoko contract na etie. They were providing Kotoko all their jerseys, everything, including the youth team.
Okay.
Then they will sell the replica. And to study the marketing of the replica. Na a THB na ye ne pa. Best stadium na call radio so.
Yes.
Tina Kotoko mboka when it comes to promotion of the replica.
Yeah.
Though they have a percentage, but no mboka say na just in Tony TH before. Kotoko no the no didn't entire no, I didn't youth team there. It's all turn 20,000 a wow. Whether it can cover for the cost of Ntadena and the Bremen or not, plus the cost of replica, plus duty, plus shipping.
Awesome. Okay.
Promotion. Wow.
Okay.
So they signed that deal. And TH before the Kotoko when it's a first season, mobile late, and the Ejitum. The amount of Tadian replica and the Intimian Ton and Yeska. Second season, no so moment every year. First season new year and some more extended by 2 years.
Okay.
Second season so nyoma san boy so. Enti ye den tade ne ba ntem a ho ne ye ton replica ne nya esika kakra. Second season ye wie season and some more extended contract. Enti second season na boy but third season there. According to their date of the market they were okay free say. And now say no sign 2 years. Enti no. They were able to plan for the third season. Enti season the crown starting a replica no. A buy to call signing players across South Africa. Any ageno. No, so Tom replica Ejo Musica.
Oh,
so they went back to Kotoko and told them, say, if we ever continue on there, yes, sign a contract in them. Say you bet me started production in them. Now my justice now by them. Me a ton ye sika day. entem no be ahwato. And the IMC agreed and signed the contract. Same format now. Every board ne buy legally board no a review all contracts. And upon reviewing the contract, they had different terms and conditions for THB. So it delayed the production because at that time, no board no so terms, the conditions they different from IMC in the The board opted for something different. What the board opted was that Fabre and Akotoni Bill.
Okay.
But there were 3 different forms of kit sponsorship. Yeah, what dear? Wo me am the bebrel. The same can we say one tard is an income the abrel.
Okay.
Now what catch them say so be. One entire name brem. Name a sort of replica 10,000. 10,000 meton amount at this cost maybe at 1A2 cities. Into Nimetria replica 10,000.
Okay.
Replica 10,000 at cost 2 city amount. Now me produce at Tadiana Casa was and replica amount. Who cotton now nyam faswa wawasem.
Okay.
O cotton na boka wawasem. But me no, I get advantage of associating myself with your brand and also reducing the cost because what to replica ni be the amame.
Yeah.
Nti we check has ni ombro deal no. Has the to replica no. Kotkoni area.
Yeah.
Na area de ntade na makotoko. But kotoko beto a certain amount of replica. Na wa ba beton. Unya mfa so afa.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Uni say follow.
We follow pa.
Any or third one is 50-50. But and no so no replica do be na beton. Third one is a cost of producing one third year. Me 50%. Now what? Me dem also offer 50%. As the second one, they me 500 but to a certain amount of replica.
Yes.
Third one, over 50% of the production cost of the JC. Now it's more for 50% because a partnership. Then I'll sell a certain amount of replica to you.
Okay.
At a certain cost. And so So for now, even though the option I got to 5, but what I can tell you is they moved away from the first option. Where TH market contact no more about the moved away from it.
Okay.
Now between 50-50 or TH with 500% back to go to a certain amount of replica.
So the second and third option.
But the common factor here say the replica now is in the hands of Kotoko.
Oh, okay.
Not THB.
Okay. Okay.
What
yes.
Into the area just in the buy area for number Kuruma. Ombro has just in the buy Mamba Kuruma. Motona de Benyabiano, Mamonfa. The Motona and fire, Modia. Motonson and Faswaba, Modia. That is the option. Option 2, option 3, no, and not party. Even though meaning, but I don't want to go into that. It's a say no. Based on what is coming, and now say in commodity delay, the clauses between not compromise and that, but they're going through the clauses again, it delay production. Because at that time there was the possibility, say, be a new board, no, contract, no. So that THB cannot proceed with printing the jerseys,
okay,
or manufacturing the jerseys.
Yes,
they needed to wait for that meetings, you know. Clause we clause we for that agreement to be settled.
Yes.
Before they can proceed
with the production. Okay. Okay. Because the paper on board no
maybe the board felt that area condition is a much more case you council. So they waited. So for now what I can tell you is that next week the jerseys will be released.
Next week,
the Jesus will be released. And Kotoko is in charge of the replica.
Okay. Okay.
And Kotoko is in charge of the designs.
Okay.
They say TH me mark Kotoko pressure deal. Say and can first now. Ka TH be catch Kotoko debi. Replica ni any beton.
Yes.
And fine any beboka. To starting new promo. But now promotion and everything is in the hands of Kotoko.
Okay.
So Kotoko now has a big say about the pricing of the replica jersey. Say first, na me the ntade na ma wa me na me kwa akoton ti na me
tere ebo me bo no
ebo a me de beton a se na me nya me mfa so.
Yeah.
Say no wo na wo beton kotoko no na beton replica. Conditions ti me akotoko will sell the replica.
Yes.
So now kotoko bet me decide say replica na beton no 100 cedis. Ono
okay.
Ono kotoko na nya wo. So boka ono. Unya mfa so a ono. Hard to folk. Mediema. Any aduana. Obu condition with THB ni 50-50 no.
Okay.
Minka kotoko de. Omo de no. These clubs paid a certain percentage of the production cost. They paid a certain percentage of the production cost.
Yes.
Because these clubs number of replica no or more ton this you see condition number 2 no because they are 10,000 replicas.
Yes.
Remember full production. Condition number 2 no be part of the production. So in the condition number 3 no once you're paying part of the production I can reduce the amount of replica because production a 50-50. To habit me baby akotoko
and one
into kotoko will designs no. Number 1, Kotoko will now control the costing of the jerseys, and Kotoko will now control the sales of the replica, the promotion, but THBC or shops, so indirectly they will still assist them when it comes to the sales of the jerseys. Into the amount they are not channel, contract no, incommodie, because they explain a lot. There is more to it. The production, no, and you better. Wow. The production and you better. And also, what the content man you produce one on them. And I want to call the big companies in China. Say on a ukucha was uniska. But margin clubs I would do a we are saying. Do a kwa China kucha
nema.
To bust a pressure back about. Do the any content pa? O met me I say be a match. Now do the aqua. Bet me do bia na ya ma wontem. Ba the call bia June, July, Hona. New season e ba na obi ani abre ne bia.
Pressure was no.
Pressure was obetwa pa.
Never dey.
Nti so bisaya na dey wo. Minimum agent. Whether you think the new deal Kotoko control the replica no. Ebe Boa Club no or come choose old I don't know which one you stand.
We dem sure say omo Kotoko supporters are more interested in knowing the Jesus nensem no. Now mo be okay with the in summer so better the aba no. And maybe I think say the be boa sante Kotoko and say Kotoko na nkasa be control replica and sales no. The best. You know. Because at this time no last season they ba kwa na manfo complain pa ye ne bo. Say omo de toto abrofo ne de na e de na wo sorodo ntina amanfo bebre na anya saa de ne se ene Jesus no adenti na bo ne mafom na ene entimi nya akonoma supporters ne ntimi ntobi. So if Asante Kotoko can now control the sales of the Jesus now, so but I think say it is the best way to go. Afedie Kotoko na ngasa betimi ehu the supporters no na afeni we hu price na whatever to so a ebe ya akono se Kotoko supporter no entumi kan ko pebi nche. You know, I love sa idea and say Kotoko be ko eho no mum sebe ya e betimi aboa club no ama club na timi ehu se ne ombesi aton omo ne ma afa na enkonkoye say the producer no mum no and they be control market na dem Asante Kotoko. By this time Kotoko needs to control the market by themselves no man ga say ehu se ne ombesi aton omo de no but ni nyina so kokko wie say so be just say the consistency levels na ye adwuma club
the
performance na ye consistent
one thing I'm turn pre-season, you know. Ni nyina ba be bra ma
yes
cost no more than na be
kire ne ton because pre-season went me and ton Jesus 90 me mo reach agreement in tamama Jesus na mama wan nyina so amfa ton because ankati see ya tankla what town see ya better any Kofi Bini mo e what town any Solomon nso mo time e what town na afi Kotoko direction afi de amanfo ani ba ho a e ya amanfo akono one team anyina so amfa nton dia then ebe wura season nim na afi no so watimi dia gina so na dia ton until the first 5 games will be crucial for Asante Kotoko. First 5 games are crucial part of the Kotoko team no and maybe the American say THB dear so bad men ha many casem name Kotoko kit sponsors are ba dear meka say THB stand stop manage your production or send your moye or just send ye or near man ACT and effort and quality wo mo near manim say ba bonten a wotimi uzampa e na was through yepa until for 3 years oh ne team na ye adwuma na mpo atoaso ama ene Karela Monso aba on board media mama aba on board haso folk ma aba on board no e kire se ne omodo ho bebo asante kotokoko ni mfaso omo so munyan etimi me de so bad se ne na me de make na no the performances will be key as to how kotokobeti ato omo Jesus no so benya profiter it will depend on the games benya losses and so it will depend on the games na beba no because pre-season no team na ntimi anya ne niam na ntem with the producer no. That is where the problem is. But for me, Kotoko should continue working with THB. Omumienu no komodie, omumienu no the contract and sense no. I think say omumienu no to us why ebe boa team no pay. Ebe boa two parties in the power. Especially with THB crowd Kotoko imagine so it projects them very well. And tiano ne dey so bad. Meme dey ye be wa atwenyem na fe ne atwenya hwe pricing beba no. That is where my concentration back was our pricing because I was say you timinya pricing and as a pricer a bit comfortable for supporters no say be ya so be the bit timia semba for the nibi
semba de nibi sa
pu aba montin e bombe pages nibi ato ubemu say semba egbo game stadium ho nyina red. That is what we want to see this season. Okay. It's a proper pricing and also good performance no. And so be team. So the option of Kotoko now controlling the market makes a lot of sense.
Okay. Well, my main for wintrum or China Prince Bunkai me be ho adwuma.
Okay.
Kotoko coach Eric Tinkler ese osukura na ese oba no hwe. Oso osukura ese oba na hwe. Most amount for both players be the coach no any problem. One thing about Tinkler is say will allow some form of understanding, understanding and freedom. No say coach go I na dey so because I go ni mbo pa he no because they be there. But Tinkler dia to say one bantam. One bantam to win players to recommend there obetio. But what you no so the person where your money 50-50 man nipa na mbra be train na here. And because anya wo decision na me dey be coach.
Dabi.
The players will come here. But also some of the supporters they will only go to the Kotoko system if they decide to do observation with the coach.
Okay.
Salif Ibrahim Di Maria. Any Caleb Amankwa. Yes, I'm for being coach in Akasa about these players.
Yeah.
Based on information, the man don't have a problem. But would these players submit and come and do at the NFL observation with the club?
Big question.
Yeah. And the boys even says, "Oh, quiet now, I'm far." After already go grass. Oh, quiet now, fast when you go grass. And some of the boys feel that listen, we are big. My coach knows that if you mean business, that lad that lad was not a bench woman. Ethiopia. No, active player. Into a dear to Maba about the observation there. And you want to be over observation. Yes, over.
Yeah.
It is a Salif Kotoko is searching for a number 10. There will be the who's a Salif bet me abo. But we also need to understand the coach. Say, Brandon Menhel.
Yes.
Prince and how do you know say?
Too bad and then one no. And the media coach ne yadwin. You need to be here. I was so bad. Now Baba Boma coach ni. Because numbers na manti edeba no Salifu numbers no form. Enti ye ntimi nka say impokan so bad. Say ka say okay fine. O de emma me trials no. Emma ye ba be sign oba de ye hwe performance no de agina so de ama contract na. Salifu from last 2 seasons, last 2 seasons in ebe na Salifu ma any numbers be a shame cry bia. Numbers na nye numbers a shame cry. Enti no kura nti kura no. Team no kura ntimi go on na omo ma on the contract you deserve. Enti the only thing I say if you say you are big indeed, so bad. come to the training grounds. Yes, grass na so. Wahu na fa ball no na fa ye adwuma ne hwe ade. Kakra bi e na be ma team na nya arehemu bi say ampa. Wo betimi aba be because now there na ka number 10 wo honom de so bad. Say e di na mo pese ye de kode a e na ye betimi aka say ne e kotokomfa contract na Salifu. Say e di keke. Say oh Salifu Ibrahim ye nim no wabo Ghana League no wabo Accra so folk wabo 11 Wonders wabo aboni ye or experience for Ghana League eno keke na mo pede a e na ye betimi support. Ba mo se mo pe quality there, then I will say go by the wish of the coach. And then if you go to Rome, you do what the Romans do. Yes, before me. Because Dan Lad, the crowd no or active. So that at the point that Lad no really player of the month awards now. No Timinia awards Crown or Ethiopia. It tells you how competitive I know Ethiopian cafe on. And no crown or buy, you know. Still, Timmy the catcher and say, look, there be bra never bonny and ready. John Crown available. Amo mehu say the performance na mpa o deserve say obeto aso enti me de she say no whoever bia so bed okwa abonten na utu kwan ko ye no wantimi ama be 15 games bi de so bed hu nya say we say mpani formal street contract en fa so bi ani so e was at least wantimi kura amadi 15 20 games of 5 goals and maybe 5 assists 10 goals involvement bi de ye betimi agina so aka say we de and it is so bad and it be say no dia oba fa process ni na yin hwe